sewing. I have a great project for you today. It's a keychain zipper pouch. You can use it to hold headphones, you can use it as a coin purse, to hold your chapstick, nail clippers. It's very versatile and it can be used for many different things. I would also classify this project as beginner friendly. You'll learn a number of new skills. If you haven't yet installed a zipper, that is one of the skills. And one of the things I struggled with when I was learning to sew was sewing around curves. I still can have a little bit of difficulty with that, even though I've been sewing for many, many years. As you can see, this one's a little bit of a wonky curve, but you know, it's a very small project and it still turns out great, and you know, you get better and better. The more you practice curves, the better you get at it. So I highly encourage you, even if this, you know, in certain sewing curves intimidates you a bit, I highly encourage you to give this a go. This project comes together in about 20 minutes, no joke. It is extremely fast. It's great for giving as birthday presents, or you know, an anniversary, or a housewarming gift. Anything that kind of sneaks up on you and you don't have a lot of time, or maybe not a lot of money. This is a fabulous gift to make for someone if you want to make something special that's handmade, but you don't have a lot of time. In the following sew along, I instruct you to draft your pattern pieces, and you can do that, and you could even adjust the size and make it a different size should you desire. Or you could head over to my website. My wonderful husband made a PDF and we've put it in the freebie section on my website. There's a music side and a sewing side. Yeah, so head on over there. Feel free to check out my music too. I'm a singer-songwriter and recording artist. So yeah, you might hear some new tunes and you get a free little pattern that you can download and print off, and then you can make this wonderful project. So let's get into it. Now for the sew along.